Hey yo friends, how goes it? I like the new name, Ellie. Today, we're gonna be messing around with the bot a little more. I don't know exactly what we'll be doing with it, but we'll be building something. I might try to tie it more into OBS. I'm not real sure. I've been watching a handful of tutorials and there's a whole bunch of crap that can be done with it. But I have, I've made a couple things already. Let me see here. Oh yeah, if, like if one of you want to check your follow age in the chat, you could either do, the command follow age or FA. And it should pop it up for you. Let me do this. Is that gonna work? There we go. Check it out. Built that whole thing in OBS. Gives you down to the second of when you actually followed. Good God, has it already been a month? Wow, that happened quick. It feels like it was just yesterday. Granted, I don't stream every day, but still. Time comes at you quick. And also, I did something similar with the shout out command. Let me see here. We will do, actually, let me come over here and try it. Be a lot easier. I'm not sure if it does it through YouTube or not. I might have to look at the back end. I know it works for Twitch, but it might be a different code thing for digging into YouTube's back end. See, does that do it? Haha. Cool, cool. It's working. It's doing stuff and things. Let me see, I might have to, you know, search up a couple tutorials just to, see if Streamerbot can dig into the back end to figure out, like, subscription ages, you know, the YouTube follow ages. Oh, you know I will. You still owe me a pizza, by the way. So anytime you want to, you know, show up with that pizza, let me know. I will be ready. Let's go ahead and I guess switch over to this little guy. Dig into some Streamerbot stuff. Yeah, there's... Put your hands up. FBI is gonna get us. Why does that end so quickly? I set it up. I even paid for the thing. But I set it up so it's supposed to be longer. That's what she said. Edit. Next step. Next step. Yeah, see, it's supposed to be at least 5 seconds. Oh, crap. Yeah. I guess I could go ahead and turn that down, huh? Bring that bad boy down to here. Thanks for the heads up. But yeah, the FBI should be set to at least 5 seconds. So why it doesn't hold for 5 seconds is beyond me. Let's try that again. Now that that's up and active. Are you gonna do game? There we go. See, it should have the, it should be a lot longer than that. Let's see. FBI channel points. Send command. Yeah, it's on there. Because if I do the test, then it still feels quicker than 5 seconds. Let me try something. Let's do 10 seconds. Complete and save. Refresh. I've been pretty good, actually. Been messing around on some Magic the Gathering and messing with this bot and figuring some stuff out. But we've been doing pretty good. Okay. Alright, yeah, so I just had to refresh everything and, you know, readjust that, so cool. That part is done. Neat. Now, what next? Because we have all of our light actions. We have our, what do you call it? Our check-in. We have our shout out. We have our follow age. Been playing Valorant in a sledding game. What sledding game are you talking about? Actually, let me go ahead and turn down the volume on that so I could turn it up on this. That should be better. Okay, YouTube group placeholder. We could theoretically send shout out. No, we don't need to do that. That's just a placeholder, so we'll get rid of that. And we will delete the trigger. Sub actions. What would it be? YouTube user. See, that only gets my information. That doesn't get the audience information. I'm not sure what groups they're talking about. Cozy game where you play as a small animal and you sled. And then you upgrade your sled and get stuff to decorate. And you could also fish and drink hot chocolate and throw snowballs. Oh, that sounds cute. Heck yeah. I might have to look something like that up. That sounds fun. And user timeout users, set title and description, send messages to channel. So yeah, I don't, might have to look up and build actual code so it can, you know, dig into the YouTube API and set it up so it does it itself. That's definitely something I'll have to, you know, binge a handful of tutorials on how to do first, because I don't really know how to interact with YouTube's API off the top of my head. It's only a demo right now. Oh, that sounds fun. A cool way to meet new friends. Alright, I don't have Streamlabs, so we'll probably never end up using that. Streamerbot. Don't really need to worry about that. I haven't figured out what to do with the speaker bot. I got it downloaded, I just don't know what to do with it. Polypop, I could do Polypop. Basically, if you don't know, it's like a soundboard that your audience can use to mess with you. But we could set something like that up. I don't know if it costs though. Let me double check on the thing. First, we will get rid of that. Gotta open stuff on my other monitor. Polypop Live. Yeah. Polypop Live, it's a download. So it's its own little app. I want an igloo. It's not in real life. We just got over all that snow here, and if I see snow again already, I'm gonna be irritated. It tried snowing again a couple nights ago, but it was just kind of spitting. It wasn't anything serious. Thank goodness. Okay, so let me pull this down. Bring it over to here. What are we thinking, everybody? Are we wanting to get Polypop and try setting that up just so we have something to attach the Streamerbot to? It runs on a game engine, so you could do a bunch of 3D effects that tie into your overlays and stuff. Got mods, unique overlays, interactive tutorials. It's now free. Candy packet add-on further adds powerful features and gives you a deeper creative control over your live stream and video creations. Well, tell it to stop being so late over there. Goodness. Go get some rest. I will be around. Tomorrow I will try to stream a little bit earlier. I am gonna stream a little bit on Sunday, so keep an eye out. You know where to find me. Appreciate you stopping by. Go get some sleeps while I try to figure out if we're gonna do Polypop or not. Thinking we might. I've seen a handful of good things come out of it. Dude named Gal Level uses it quite a bit on his stream. He's a super creative live streamer, and he's got a whole bunch of stuff like tutorial wise on his YouTube that I've been following. So I mean, we can always undo it later if we want. Do that. We'll pull that over here for now. And we'll bury that in the back. All right. Until that is up and going. Platforms. Is there any Twitch specific stuff that we want to do? Browse past videos? Not really. I know there's a way you can set up like a carousel. So instead of just your standard be right back scene, it shows a bunch of it shows a bunch of your old videos and clips and stuff, but I'm not sure if that's a Streamerbot thing or an OBS thing, or maybe both. I do not know. Let's pull this up. Emote handlers, we should be clear. Yeah, I've got better TTV on there, so that's fine. First words cache, I'm not sure what the first words deal is. From what I understand, it's just either the first words a chatter chats in general, or it's the first word they chat in that specific stream. So like if whenever you show up for a stream, you're like, hey guys, I'm here, you know, then it'll you could set it up as that would be its own trigger for like a GIF to pop up or a sound effect or whatever to pop up. So I might attempt to do that. Oh, our download is done. Go in folder. Where are you gonna pop up? You're popping up over here. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and set polypop up. So if it glitches out, it's the computer's fault, not mine. I'm not sure exactly what all you will be seeing. We'll bring that over here. Just power through the setup. Create desktop shortcut. That should be good. Okay, integrations. Is there a polypop integration, or is it just the to trigger stuff? Looking like it's just a trigger. Oh no, we could set up VTube Studio if I wanted to go the VTuber route. I got a little PNG tuber set up, like a little dude. Let me see if no, I don't have it active right now, so oh no, that's just for the days that I don't want to have my face on camera, which thankfully here recently isn't often. So that is looking good. That is looking good. Bro, I haven't seen her since I quit going on Kick. I miss her face. She's good people. I've seen, well, I take that back. I've seen a few of her Instagram posts and stuff like that, but I haven't really seen her anywhere else other than that. Does she still do streaming? Like I said, I haven't been on Kick since the that BS with those people went down with you and all that, and